right now I'm just lifting out these pavers and making sure that there's no dirt or stone dust on them, so that when we put them back, there's no rocking.
Morris Production.
I'm just cleaning this off so I can take a nice picture of it. You know, before phones, we just had to use our brains. You want to clean off each block as you go, if you can. I usually dust them off several times. Yes, take beaucoup de photos. Here they obviously just took all their leftover cut pieces because they needed to fill a hole and just fill it in with these random cuts, which is horrifying. But we'll just take it piece by piece, keep track of it so we don't lose it, and reuse them. Because that's what we do. I'd probably move that away. Yeah. Take this section, put it there actually. Yeah. You need to know, like, this is what, 6 feet, so have to come back probably to about the tree. But switch you to